Hey guys, it's Kensy and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually a cooking with me, and this is possibly my favorite recipe out there. It's my family's taco soup. That was my cat. And got out my Easter pillows, and yes, my nose, that was a little softball incident today. Won't get into that, but it is a little sore, and yeah, so this is my recipe, and if you're new, hi, I'm Kensy, and I've done a few cooking with me's on my channel, but I'm planning on doing a lot more, so if you would like those, make sure you go down below and subscribe, and while you're down there, turn on post notifications so that you can get notified when I upload, and give this video a thumbs up, and also I post vlogs on Wednesday, so you guys can tune in for those on Wednesday, and then I post like DIYs or stuff on Sundays. So yeah, today's video is a taco soup cooking with me, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, here we go. So here I am with the voiceover, and so first off, I'm just adding some Worcestershire and crumbling up some meat. This is just going to serve as my base for the taco soup. You can just not add meat or use beans, just beans, or whatever you'd like here. This is where you can make it vegetarian or whatever, and so I'm setting this to high and mixing or stirring it occasionally and just making it really fine and good for soup. And this is pretty easy. You just have to let it simmer for a while and just keep your eye on it, stirring it every so often. And when it's nice and brown, you can add it to your soup. And next, I'm going to be adding all of my ingredients. So I'm first taking 4 cans of this whole kernel sweet corn. Make sure you don't get the creamy, and I'm actually leaving all of the juice because it's just good and gives the soup a good flavor. So here's a little checkup on the meat, and now I'm just going to be adding a pretty big can of diced tomatoes to my mixture, and I really like tomatoes, so you can add however many of these you want. So I'm also adding 3 cans of Roma tomatoes, 3 cans of pinto beans, 2 cans of black beans, and 2 boxes or containers of beef broth, and more pinto beans and kidney beans actually that I had frozen, and I'm just going to start heating those up and stirring everything together, setting it also at high. And here's another checkup on the meat. And if you've seen my old cooking with me video, you know I always have to eat a snack, and so here's a pepper, and I hope you guys can enjoy the ASMR. But yeah, here's how the soup's looking. And now you can go ahead and add your taco seasoning mix. You can just add these to the soup, and I'm using the low sodium, and you can get this at pretty much any store, and then just mixing that in. And so you just let this simmer for a little bit until the meat is ready to dump in, and then you can just dump it in and mix all of this together. Now you'll also know, if you've ever seen any of my cooking videos, that I like to clean up while it's cooking, and so while I cleaned up, I just let this simmer and then mixed it out. And also while I was waiting, I played some Crossy Road. So here's a little clip of me being a Crossy Road boss. And now you can top this off with cheese or sour cream, whatever you'd like to add. Don't mind this. Here's my rating. Take 2. Here's my reaction. 10 out of 10. I love the corn and I put extra in it. That's my cat, but that was also delicious. Okay, so my grandma's trying it right behind me. Here we go.
Delicious. Wow, that is delicious. I love the tomatoes and the corn and the spiciness. Wow, I rate this a 10.5.
Yeah, let's go! It was good, guys. Make sure you recreate this at your house. If your parents are mad at you, just make them this and they'll be happy. Okay, guys, so that's all I have. As you guys saw, I ate my soup and it was so good. And please don't mind my nose throughout this video. But it happened this morning and it was just a little stitch that I had to work with. But these pillows give me really swingy vibes and making me really happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, that's all I have for today's video. Make sure to subscribe and tune in Wednesday for the vlog. And yeah, I'll see you guys Wednesday. Bye.